Yo, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I want to show you how we got the 130 pips in just a 5 minutes. Yes, in just a 5 minute trading gold, right? So we just done trading London's New York session here, me and my team in the VIP group, and we just catch 130 pips in just 5 minutes. And that's one thing I love about gold, guys. If it was another pair, we were supposed to, in order for you to catch 130 pips, you will have to hold that trade maybe for a day or two. But with gold, just a 5 minute, we are already getting the job down and we are out. And yeah, after taking this trade, we are done for New York session. Yeah, that's our rule of trading. In the morning we caught one, and now we catch another one. Those are two trays, and we are done for the day. We don't do too much. We don't do too much in the VIP group. Yeah. So now let me just explain to you how I actually got it. It was just simple, right? And let me just show you first. What time did we take? Hey, let's calculate the pips. The candlestick, and because this is 1 minute time frame, and every candlestick is changing after 1 minute, and you can see we have the first candlestick of our entry, the second one, two, three, four, five, and five. That's when we hit our take profits easy and straightforward. Just imagine opening a trade, 5 minutes you are out and you already have a profit. And that's the power of a sniper entry and a knowledge, guys. Yes. So now let me show you when did we take this trade. This is the trade. This is the VIP group. I send a sell position. As you can see, we was a little bit late, guys. And now it's because the markets kept moving every 1 second. So yeah, so you get the point. We entered with a few people late, but that wasn't too bad. And then after 5 minutes, we hit that profit, yeah, and that was 130 pips. Let's say 133 pips to be exact. That's the correct number. And yeah, and after that it was like, yeah, we are done for the day. Yeah, we are done for New York session as always, as our rule. And that's one thing again I want to remind you: make sure that you stick to the rules. I know the New York session is still going on right now, but you just know when to start yours, when to end yours, because you don't want to be early in a New York session and then you want to end it late in a New York session. Like, bro, come on, are you a robot? You are not a robot, you're just a human being. And the few hours of your session is when your mindset is sharp, is when your mindset is working perfect. After that, after 3 hours, my man, you're just gonna be gambling and putting your money into gamble, and you don't want to do that. So after winning like this, I was like, yeah, we are done for the session. And that's exactly what we always do every day. We win one in the morning, we win one in the afternoon. Let me show you what we did. For those who didn't watch that video, this is the morning trade. Yeah, this is the morning trade. It was a sell again. So today we caught all sales, right? And then boom, he take profits 150 pips. And then this one, it was also another sell. So today, gold actually gave us money on selling. Who said gold doesn't go down? Oh, tell your guru to respect himself. Yeah? We just hit 2 TPU on the sell. Yeah, and that's one thing I love about what they call it. One thing I love about retail traders, we make money both ways. It's either the market goes down or up. No, we are retail traders. We are not long-term traders. We are not hedge funds. Mm-mm. We are retail traders. We want to get our money quick. So now let's just talk about why did I sell this trade? Why did I sell it, bro? Is it not that clear this trade? For those who know, like, is it not that clear? The trader was easily going a high, 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 low, a low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, low, and I waited just a low, low, high, so that I can sell. It was easy. And then I sold and put my take profit, the stop loss, and then boom, easier. So it might look easy, but you just need to know. That's why another thing, you need to know the condition of the market, because every market, every week, the market always wake up with the different conditions, you know. Yeah, so you need to know when to use this particular strategy, or when not to. You know, that's when it comes to knowledge. You need to seek knowledge, learn how to trade properly, you know, learn how to trade again, you know. So I've been trading for the past over 8 years now, yeah. So you can see how calm I am in the market, how I approach market. I'm not scared of execution. I'm not afraid of taking profits, and I'm not as scared of following my plan, and I'm not scared of anything. So, and I know, and I'm not scared of taking a break. I just took a break of 1 week. I was sick, and I was like, yeah, I know myself. Like when I'm sick, when I'm not feeling good, I don't concentrate on the trade. I'm just gonna maybe like just take a few seconds, checking the chart, and you open a trade, yeah, without like a proper thinking, like concentrate. You wanna catch that money. You don't wanna do that because you are sick, and you better just take a break and yeah, and relax, because at the end of the day, the market will always gonna be there. End of the day, the market is gonna be there. So, and that's exactly how we traded today. And now let's just replay this trade. I wanna replay it so that you can see how that 5 minutes happened. It happened so fast, yeah? I'm telling you. After we took an entry, because it was actually waiting, yeah, as was like was on a standby, waiting for the market to start going down, and then boom, we entered. After opening the trade, and then the market start doing its own thing. Now let's replay first. I wanna replay so that's we can all see. As you can see, this is the current price now. The market is already consolidating, doing its own thing. But it's still gonna go down, guys. Where is it gonna go? Because the market is going down, yeah. But the momentum just dropped. Everything just slow. But as we're already out, we don't care what the market is doing today, now. So we're gonna see each other tomorrow. So yes, we took a trade here. Let me show you. This is the actual trade, right? So when the market went down, okay, why did it just move so fast? Do I reset bars or what? Okay, now it is what it is, guys. As you can see, I don't know what happened here, but the market just the replaying just went so fast. Yeah, I just wanted to be a little bit slow. Okay, let's start over. Yeah, we still have time. Yeah? We have a few minutes so that we can that we can end this video. I don't even want to make it too long, as I already explained you the reason why I did all this. But I just want to show you guys what happened. Don't you want to see? Don't you want to see what happened? Yeah, let's play now. Well, it should be slow now. Boom, the market went down. And then at that first candlestick, that's when we actually, in the middle of that first candlestick, that's when we actually sell, you know. We sold that one, we sell, and then the market, as you can see, in 4 minutes, guys, look how it went down. Oh my God, it was insane. One, two, three, four, five. Sorry, five candlestick. Damn, that's insane. Yeah, so that's the end of this video, guys. Let me know what you think and how was your trading day today. And we are back like this. We're back like we never left, you know. And that's the energy that I have. And I want everyone to be in a VIP group, because you don't want to miss out. This 2026, be in a group where the real group. This is not the one of those funny group. Yeah, we are taking life serious out here, man. We are changing lives, you know. That's the goal of this group. So the link will be down below. Click the link and join the free Telegram group, because that's the link down below. Click the free Telegram group. You're gonna join the free Telegram group, and inside the VIP free Telegram group, you're gonna see a pin message with a button, join the VIP group. Click that one, and it's gonna show you how to join, bro. It's so simple, it's easy. Just gonna take a few seconds of your time. Click. I will see you there. Yeah.